name's Amari. Make sure to like and
subscribe.
Wait, make sure to like and subscribe and
Ring the bell.
okay, we're gonna open this and you guys are able to watch our unboxing. This is hard to open. Oh man, I got it. Ah!
Let me help.
No, Simon, this is my unboxing.
Huh?
Oh, hey, Simon. Ow. My brother keeps attacking me. I got it. And I'm gonna open it. So this is hard. Yeah, got it. And open this. Take it out. Let's see what it's for. So this. So there's a challenge.
What's inside of it?
So it says, inside of this says challenge. Put your balance spot in a pose where it doesn't fall over. Then ask friends or family to match that pose without falling over. Your ears don't just help you hear, they also have tiny parts inside you that help you keep your balance.
Ooh.
So let's see, his ears will help him balance. Oh, hey. So I'm gonna have to make sure this can be in balance. Okay, in a harder way. We're gonna have to see if we can get this to stand up. We can like that. I wanna see if he can do it in this pose.
Oh, try and try.
Okay, it looks like it's really hard. Oh man, I gotta see if everybody else. So I got this from McDonald's. It keeps falling over. Oh man, this is hard. Okay, now I'm having trouble with that. So let's see if he can do it on his head. Oh.
Now let me try on his hand.
Okay. Nope. You have to see if your family can do the same pose. You have to do the same pose. Okay. Looks like.
Oh,
we're gonna see if my brother can do it.
helps it.
If so, hopefully we don't take the things out so we have our balance. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. And
Ring the bell.
thumbs up.